Hey there, welcome back to another informative video. So let's see how you can make your Twitter account private. So here's my profile and it's not private yet. So let's see how you can do this. So first swipe right onto your Twitter app and here it will open your dashboard. Now scroll down and click on settings and support, and now just scroll down a bit and click on settings and privacy. Now at the bottom you can see one option that says privacy and safety. Just click on that and here there will be first option which says audience and tagging. Just click on that and here turn this option on, that is protect your tweets. So after this option is turned on, your account will be private. So if I go back and check my account, then it will show that my account is private. So here's lock icon, that means my account is private. Also if I go onto my profile and see, then there's also a lock icon, that means my account is private. And that's how you can turn your Twitter account into private and follow the same procedure to reverse the options. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.